In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an event in Google My Business. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead to Google and you want to type in My Business. And then here, it's going to give you your business profile and you want to click on View Profile. And then over here, to actually add an event to your profile over here, you will have to click on over here where it says Add Update. Okay, so you want to click on Add Update. And then you're going to see a bunch of different things. So add update, add offer, and add event. So you want to click on add event over here. And then for me, my account is not verified. So in case yours isn't either, because this is just a tutorial for me over here, then you have to click on get verified and first get verified. And after this, you'll be able to do that. But of course, there's no other way to do it. So after you are verified, you'll see a pop-up, which is going to say add event. And then you're going to have to put in your event title, your start date, your start time, which is optional, your end date, and then your end time, which is optional as well as the event details, and then you can just post it and you'll be able to essentially have it for everyone to see on your Google business profile. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.